Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Nine of Wands to begin with, followed by the Lover's card. I keep pulling it, keeps coming up, so we'll let it be. The Death card, and then this one sort of just leapt out at the end, so I'm going to include it, the Knight of Pentacles. I've got a couple of other bits of information that I'll share as we get towards the end. So let's begin with the Nine of Wands. This is a card where it's saying to you, hold on, stand your ground, persevere, do not give up. Sometimes with this energy, we can be a bit like, oh my gosh, I'm almost there. I can feel it. I can sense it. I just know it's happening. But we're not quite there yet. And this is what this energy is about. But the message is very much hold on, persevere, do not give up, which I think is quite apt for this point in time, really. With the nine, it's, you know, the 10 is some sort of completion or conclusion of, could be a whole project or an outcome. It could just be an aspect of a process. But with the nine, it's saying you're so close, you know, you can see it, you can maybe feel it, you can sense it, it's coming, it's coming. So in that case, keep on track, keep on track. And I think this is why this leapt out, because the Knight of Pentacles is saying that you are on track. What you're doing, all of your skills, your wisdom, your knowledge, your gifts, you're using them in a really fantastic way to get you to a brighter future. What you're trying to do is set something up that's going to make a difference to you further down the line. It's not just for this week or next month or this year. It's something that's going to really change things big time. And this is what the Knight of Pentacles is all about. You're on track. So you're on track. So I feel like these together, you're almost there. You're on track. What you're doing is fantastic. It's super. It has been, with the Knight of Pentacles, it has been a little bit of a slow process for some of you. I think for some of you that are going through a big transformation, many of you, like myself, probably thought a few years back, right, okay, it'll all be sorted by 1, 2, 3, or whatever it was. And it's taken a little bit longer to really let go of everything, let go of the old and integrate it into your energy. This card is a card of you cannot cut corners. You have to be slow and methodical and in perfect timing, allowing for the integration and the assimilation of the different energies, the different vibrations, the different frequencies. But this is saying you are getting so close. You're getting so close. Now, it's a general reading, so it can be different things to different people. It might be your whole life. It could be maybe how you live, or it might be a lifestyle, you know, that sort of thing, a habit you're changing. Could be in the area of relationships, family, work and business and your life purpose. But yes, you are definitely on track. So remember that you're almost there. You're almost there. This is about the Lover's card. It keeps coming up. I mean, seriously, every reading I'm doing, I think mostly 99.9% of the time, it's coming up. And for me, this is about big life choices and decisions, and also it's about coming back to your higher self, but in a way, and I've said this before, in a way that you've never experienced before. It's touching your essence, your soul, your heart, whatever you want to call it, that higher vibration inside of us, the light, the magnificence. It's touching that. It's feeling that, it's experienced that in that in a way that you've never ever done before. So it's just beautiful, wrapped up in the universe, infinite intelligence, the divine God, whatever you want to call it, being protected, being guided as you go through this. And it is a transformation, because you've got the Death card. This is big wrap up, conclusion, letting go, saying goodbye, the end of something. And this feels like the end of the old you, you know, the end of the old you. This is what this week feels. It just feels like there might be an opportunity to let go, to say goodbye, to turn your back on something, to wrap something up, conclude something. It wouldn't have been you. You would have moved on from this. Whatever this is, you would have moved on energetically, spiritually, you know. You will be different. Maybe it worked for you at one point in time, but now you've changed. You're different. You're so different. So you have to, it has to fall away, you know, because your energy and vibration is vibrating at a different level, a different place, and it cannot, you know, whatever's in our life, in our world, it has to vibrate at the same frequency in order to be in our life and our world. Well, these things are at a different frequency, so it's time to say goodbye. It's time to let them go. And I pulled a couple of other things in that was quite nice. The yes card. So, you know, some of you might just come to the reading and have a question that you were looking for a yes or no. Well, that might be it. That may be the message you need. But I feel that this is also attached to this part as well, the you can. Yes, you can. That's what I was getting in my mind. It was so funny. I got this, and then they kept saying, my angels and guides, yes, you can, yes, you can. So I thought, right, I'll bring out this as well. And this is about your big transformation, the letting go, the final pieces of the jigsaw, the final pieces falling away, us letting go of them so you can really step into your power, really do your thing and get closer to your heart and soul. So that's a big message for some of you. Yes, you can. If you're doubting yourself, yes, you can. All right, I hope it's a really good week. Thank you so much for watching.